We are MacLean Engineering. Our current operation consists of 200,000 square feet of manufacturing space across 3 facilities in the southern Georgian Bay region of Ontario, in the town of Collingwood, Owen Sound, and the city of Barrie. Responsible for designing, manufacturing, commissioning, and supporting underground mining equipment around the world and municipal vehicles across North America. Since we started in 1973, MacLean has designed, manufactured, and commissioned over 2,000 mining vehicles. Welcome to Owen Sound, home of our Mining and Diversified Products division. While Owen Sound has faced some economic challenges, MacLean has not only prospered, but we've grown, increasing our workforce by 50% in 15,000 additional square feet of production space. Our recent expansion means that we're able to meet our customers' needs much faster. The scale of recent investments, not just at our Owen Sound location, but beyond, puts us on the map as a global tier mining equipment manufacturer. 1 hour east of Owen Sound is Collingwood, the location of our head office and main manufacturing facility. Here in the Collingwood plant, our team of machinists, welders, fitters, and more work to create innovative mining solutions, including our most recent line of battery electric vehicles. It's rewarding to know that the work we do here reaches far and wide to our clients across the globe. Our aftermarket operation is run out of the city of Barrie, just north of Toronto, and consists of a $75 million investment in stocked parts. We've increased production of stocked parts to meet the aftermarket demands of our customers with an industry-leading rate for the speed of orders shipped. Across our network of operations in southern Ontario, we're enjoying success and stability in a cyclical global mining market. Our innovative solutions help to keep us ahead of the curve and allow us to achieve sustainable growth.
The equipment we produce makes it safer for people to be working in mines. And if people get to go home to their wife and kids or family and get to go to work safe and come home at the end of the day, that's, in my opinion, that's the best thing you can do.
Innovating for mobile equipment safety and productivity is why we exist. We look forward to working with you.